Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook navigation bar if it's not showing. Now, Facebook right here allows you to customize which tabs appear on your shortcut bar. Okay, and sometimes tabs get hidden automatically by the algorithm. Now to fix that, if you don't have this one, go ahead and tap on your profile right here. Okay, tap on it. Now, if you can't see it as well, just tap on the profile icon right here besides what's on your mind. So just tap. Now you should be able to see the navigation bar. Okay, so what you'll do, if you can't see it, just tap on the navigation bar. And if you can't see it, just hang on. I'll give you some fixes later. So tap on the three horizontal lines, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings. And then under preferences section, okay, right here, you'll have the tab bar section or the navigation bar section. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now customize the bar. Tap. Now, if you have something right here that is set to hide or hidden, say for example, we have here groups. Okay. If it's set to hide, just set it to auto. If you don't want to pin it, just don't leave something right here to hidden or hide. Make sure that everything listed right here is either pinned or set to auto. And then once that's done, force close the app, reopen up Facebook, and check if it helps. Okay? Now, if that still won't work, close the application. Now, find the Facebook app icon, tap and hold onto it. Tap on the information icon if you are using Android. And if you're using iOS, just go ahead over to Settings, General, then iPhone Storage, and then go ahead and tap on Facebook. Okay? And then all you got to do is just tap on Offload App or Offload Data. Now for Android, scroll down and tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache first, and the cache right here will be cleared. And then after that, tap on Clear Data, and then the data as well will be cleared. Close this one. Open up Play Store or App Store. Find it, or find Facebook. And if there is an update button, go ahead and update the app. And once that's updated, open it up, and you should be good to go. That is how you fix Facebook navigation bar if it's not showing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.